This is why you need to optimize your images and videos, because in the world of SEO, visuals matter as much as content. Make your local business shine online. If you're looking to boost your local SEO, optimizing images and videos is a game changer. First, always use high-quality media. Blurry photos? No thank you. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, so make each one count. Next up, tag your images and videos with location-based keywords. This isn't just SEO jargon, it's your secret weapon. Tagging helps search engines understand where you are and what you offer, pushing you up in local searches. Don't forget to compress your images and videos. Yes, quality is key, but so is loading speed. If your page takes forever to load, visitors might bounce faster than a rubber ball. Keep file sizes small for a snappy site experience. Lastly, include descriptive, keyword-rich file names. Instead of img_1234.jpg quote comma, how about best-coffee-shop-downtown-new-york.jpg quote question mark? It tells search engines exactly what and where you are. And here's a pro tip. Authority Solutions can streamline this whole process for you, enhancing your local search presence effectively and efficiently. So, are you ready to transform your local SEO strategy? Like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more savvy SEO tips. Let's optimize and conquer the local search world together.